So track fans, welcome back to Running Factory. And in case this happens to be your first time here on this YouTube channel, please do me a favor to make sure you subscribe. Now let's talk about the USA future coming female athlete. This sprinter are a group of 4 sprinters, or let me say 3, that are coming with full force and energy. I'm talking about Gabby Thomas, Twashinia Terry, yeah, I think Twashinia Terry, right? And Sha'carri Richardson. These 3 people plus Abby Stenner, making it 4, are coming with this force, with this energy. And we all saw what happened in Budapest World Athletic. Despite the fact that the Jamaicans have the 3 fastest women in the 100-meter, that doesn't stop the USA female athlete from winning the 4x100 meters in Budapest World Athletic. And they did the same thing last upper year in Oregon. And I feel like it is finally time for the Jamaicans female sprinters to wake up in the 4x1 relay. They need to team up themselves. They need to be cooperative. They need to, come together and choose the best athlete for their 4x100 meter. If they don't do that, so sad to say that the USA female athlete will always be winning. With Sha'carri, Gabby Thomas, Twashinia Terry, and Abby Stenner back, it's gonna be hard for them, except they have to involve the fastest woman in the world, which is Ellen Thompson-Herah. And talking about the future of USA female sprinters, I feel like it is also bright. Yes, they also have these bright female sprinters. They have the future, because with Twashinia Terry, she's not even 20 something yet, and Sha'carri Richardson is just 23 years old. So Gabby Thomas is also young, as you can see. So with all that being said, I feel like the USA female athlete, they definitely have this future, this great future ahead of them. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me know what you think.